Hey, this is Jody with Freetail Therapy. Just about 10 minutes ago, it was sunny and hot out. Now it is pouring like crazy. This is awesome. I've already lost internet. Whoa, I've already lost internet once. Hoping that, I can stick it out until the end of my shift tonight, but we'll see how that goes. Hoping I don't lose internet again. This is coming down really, really hard. It's crazy because literally just like 10, 15 minutes ago it was sunny. About 80 degrees out. Just coming down in sheets. What's the weather like where you are? Tell me in the comments below.